Today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a content management system in Notion. We'll build a simple database that tracks your ideas from concept to publish, keeps your deadlines visible, and holds all your assets in one place. Begin by opening a new page in Notion. Type /table and choose Table View Inline. An inline table sits right inside your page, so you can add notes above or below it. Give the database a clear name, then we'll set up the properties that power your workflow. Add a name property for the title of each piece of content. Next, create a select property called status. Add options for idea, drafting, review, and published. Keep the order logical so it mirrors your process. This makes it faster to scan and update. For the platforms you publish on, add either a select or a multi-select property named type or platform. Use multi-select if one item might appear on more than one platform, such as YouTube, Instagram, or a blog. Add a date property to track either a deadline or a publishing date. Having a date on every entry lets you sort and plan reliably. Finally, add an assets property with the files and media type. This is where you'll attach thumbnails, script drafts, or other supporting documents, so everything travels with the task. Now set up helpful views. Create a calendar view to visualize what's coming up and to spot conflicts at a glance. Drag items around on the calendar to adjust timing. Then add a board view and group it by status. This gives you a pipeline where you can move cards from idea to drafting, then to review, and finally to published. It's a quick way to see bottlenecks and balance your workload. If you prefer a lean view, hide properties you don't need on a given board. When deadlines shift, update the date right from the card so the calendar stays accurate. To speed up content creation, build templates inside the database. Use the new template option to pre-fill structure, like a script outline and a simple checklist. Each time you click New, choose your template and start with a consistent format, reducing setup time and keeping quality steady. Templates also encourage consistent naming, which helps with search later. Round it out by customizing icons and cover images. Consistent visuals make the database easier to navigate and help you find what you need faster, especially when you are moving quickly. That's your content management system in Notion, organized, flexible, and ready to scale with your workflow. Thanks for watching.